For more videos subscribe. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. (321) Conflict, verb fight. Synonyms: brawl, scuffle. Antonyms: serene, peace. Sentence: Raheel appeared extremely disturbed by the conflict. 322 Drought, noun scarcity. Synonyms: shrinkness, depletion. Antonyms: plentiful, lavish. Sentence: The party criticized opposition who were responsible for the financial drought faced by the nation. 323 Plea, noun request. Synonyms: pray, appeal. Antonyms: order, instruct. Sentence: The teacher's plea for silence went unheard, resulting in extreme discomfort to the student. 324 Jovial, adjective cheerful. Synonyms: merry, exultant. Antonyms: solemn, morose. Sentence: Cherish is a jovial fellow. 325 Uphill, adjective difficult. Synonym: tough, unimaginable. Antonyms: banal, mundane. Sentence: The article had a glorious description regarding the uphill task done by the cricket team. 326 Rift, noun division. Synonyms: gap, difference. Antonyms: bridge, joint. Sentence: The opposition and the government seem to be focused on removing the rift between the poor and the rich. 327 Impart, verb convey. Synonyms: bestow, divulge. Antonyms: suppress, withhold. Sentence: Ever since I was of tender age, I have seen my teachers imparting a great deal of knowledge. 328 Borrow, verb to take by request. Synonyms: loan, beg. Antonyms: snatch, rob. Sentence: Can I borrow your notebook? 329 Ignominious, adjective disgraceful. Synonyms: shameful, scandalous. Antonyms: dignified, distinguished. Sentence: The ignominious stealing has given him nefarious identity. 330 Countenance, verb to have a favorable opinion of. Synonyms: approve, favor. Antonyms: censure, disapprove. Sentence: Our management will not countenance cheating. 331 Divers, adjective several. Synonyms: various, manifold. Antonyms: identical, same. Sentence: Diverse men have tried to bring about social reforms. 332 Heartsore, adjective devastated. Synonyms: crestfallen, despairing. Antonyms: happy, pleased. Sentence: I feel heartsore for the poor lady. 333 Derisive, adjective ridiculing. Synonyms: disdainful, scornful. Antonyms: polite, respectful. Sentence: Adil gave a harsh, derisive laugh. 334 Gloaming, noun sunset. Synonyms: sundown, twilight. Antonyms: daybreak, sunrise. Sentence: Many lights are shimmering in the gloaming. 335 Disinterested, adjective free from prejudice. Synonyms: unselfish, neutral. Antonyms: biased, partial. Sentence: A great leader renders disinterested services to his society. 336 Pilfer, verb steal. Synonyms: filch, purloin. Antonyms: give, offer. Sentence: Ijaz pilfered enough pieces of wood from the factory to make a chair. 337 Estrangement, noun alienation. Synonyms: disaffection, separation. Antonyms: connection, friendliness. Sentence: The growing estrangement between me and my relative is awful. 338 Raucous, adjective noisy. Synonyms: discordant, loud. Antonyms: low, mild. Sentence: The atmosphere was utterly raucous. 339 Vivid, adjective animated. Synonyms: theatrical, dramatic. Antonyms: boring, undramatic. Sentence: The movie was very vivid. 340 Recalcitrant, adjective disobedient. Synonyms, fractious, obstinate. Antonyms, agreeable, compliant. Sentence, despite being offered treats by his parents, the little boy was still recalcitrant about doing his homework. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.